What if I told you that your empty garage is a gold mine waiting to be discovered? Most people use their garages to store junk, but smart entrepreneurs are using them to grow some of the most expensive and sought-after crops in the world: exotic mushrooms. The demand from high-end restaurants for fresh, rare mushrooms has exploded. Today, I'm going to reveal the top 5 most expensive mushrooms you can grow indoors, in low light, right inside your garage. Number 1 is lion's mane. This shaggy-looking fungus is taking the health world by storm because it helps regenerate brain cells and improves focus. Fresh lion's mane sells for $10 to $20 per pound to chefs and supplement companies. You can also dry it into powder for a massive premium. It grows incredibly fast on sawdust bags. Number 2 is the pink oyster mushroom. These are visually stunning and can double in size in a single day. Their bright color make them a favorite at farmers markets and high-end restaurants. Since they are highly perishable, you'll easily control the local market. Expect to charge $12 to $15 per pound for these beauties. Number 3 is a proven moneymaker, shiitake. Instead of wood logs, you can grow them on sawdust blocks in your garage in just a few months. They're meaty, have a long shelf life, and restaurants buy them in bulk. You can reliably sell fresh shiitake for $10 to $14 per pound. Number 4 is the gourmet prize, maitake, or hen of the woods. This luxury ingredient is prized in fine dining for its rich, earthy flavor. A climate-controlled garage is perfect for its growth. Since it's rare to find fresh, chefs pay $20 or more per pound. A single cluster can weigh several pounds, making it incredibly profitable. Finally, number 5, Cordyceps militaris. These orange, finger-like mushrooms are highly prized in Eastern medicine for energy. While tricky to master in small jars, the payoff is huge. Dried cordyceps can sell for hundreds of dollars per pound. For the highest profit per square foot, cordyceps is the ultimate answer. So, clear out that junk from your garage. With a small investment in some shelving, a humidifier, and a few mushroom growing blocks, you can start a highly profitable urban farm today. Start with oyster or lion's mane and watch your profits grow as fast as the mushrooms do. If you want a full step-by-step guide on how to build a garage mushroom farm, let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more business ideas.